Sawadee Krab YouTube. We are here at Bangkok at Wat Tham Kuya Lam. Wat Tham Kuya Lam, which is Kam Kuya Lam Temple. And we will just take a quick tour in the area. I hear the bell is ringing. Maybe something is going on here again. เราช่วยฟังมาเล่า to get to that area that looks more like the residential area of this temple. But if you look at the entrance, yeah, it's really cool. On the wall, there's a stone carved with the names of the donators who contribute a lot to the construction of this building. And here I see the White Tower, which I assume is the place they store the ashes of those famous monks. Okay, here there is a hallway with all those statues. Every one of them comes with a photo and a name below it, which I assume that's the monument statue of the ancestors. Maybe. Don't think it's a good idea to film the area, but now we are here at the main hall and I'm gonna just take a quick walk in it. Really quiet. Not many people down there. And if you take a quick look at the top ceiling, see, you can tell those wood lumbers, they are degrading, which means this temple is basically ancient, really old. Look at every single bricks, every single brick, all the trees, they look really old in this place. Thank you. I can hear the monks, they are singing prayers now, and assume now is their worship time. Yeah, really old, ancient temple hidden in the really compact, not compact, but really crowded downtown area of Yaowarat Road, which is the downtown area. And I see a building of car park. The whole building, it was for parking. Sawadee-krap. And here I see the king's statue, if I was right. Not too sure. Okay, I think this is the end of this this temple. And I exiting from this red door. Let's see what's more. Really interesting, eh? Like in the center of downtown, and basically these temples are everywhere. The tourist attractions everywhere in this harmonic hot summer afternoon in Bangkok. Just by taking a random walk, and I can see so many. Wow. Just right by the wall is another street food restaurant. Hi. I was at the other Dragon Lotus temple like 15 minutes ago. Unfortunately, I was late for 10 minutes and wasn't able to get into it until tomorrow. Hopefully I can come back to this area soon to take a quick tour, walking tour to the Dragon Lotus temple to see what's going on out there. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't liked and subscribed to this channel, please consider doing it and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of the new video updates, and hope you guys have a really nice day. I will see you guys next time. Cheers. Peace.